Sampling variance is just the fact that, let's say we have this overarching population that's in the clouds. This is kind of an assumption that we typically make in research, that we're trying to gain information about a population. But it's not easy to obtain all the participants or all the individuals that exist in that population, so we have to take a subset. So every time we take a subset, going to have some variability in the subset that you gather from that population, and so necessarily there's going to be some variability every time you take that subset. If we're able to get the entire population at once, there is no variability. We know what the population is going to tell us. And so when we have small sample research, the variance that we get from each one of these samples that we have is going to be greater and greater and greater. And so even if we know what the population, their mean is, or whatever we're trying to calculate with a given study, the difference between two groups, even if we know what that is, because of the fact that we have small sample research, we're going to have a lot of variability that may lead some studies to find positive findings, some studies to have negative findings, purely because of the sampling variance and nothing to do with the underlying reality of the matter.